Hey guys, this is how to create a Squarespace blog. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the squarespace.com, and now from here just simply go to your profile on the top right over here, and now just simply go for the account dashboard. And now from here, just simply click on create website over here, guys. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here. And just simply select blog over here. So just simply click on it. And now from here, you will have multiple templates that you can choose from. And now we have seven best template for the blog site. So guys, I recommend starting with the template. So if you're a beginner, you should be able to set it up more easily. And if we scroll down further, we should be able to see more blog. As you can see over here, we have over 50 choices. So guys, let's say I'm gonna go for this one. And now I'm gonna click on it. And now from here, you should be able to select a multiple color preset. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one and click on start with this the design. And now from here, we should be able to create a Squarespace blog and just simply change the necessary information based on your brand or your blog that you want to create. And now from here, just simply provide your site title. So let's say I'm gonna go for best blog ever. And now from here, just simply click on next. And after that, as you can see, just simply click on next, click on next, and click on next. So guys, it just show you how to edit the site. And from here, guys, pretty much when you go for the edit over here on the top left, you should be able to change your website. So from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select a section. And from here, you can change the text over here. You can change the button over here, which you can link to another page. And if you scroll down, you can change the other information as well. And you can change the image by just simply clicking on edit over here, and you can replace it, and you can change the text, and pretty much the Squarespace will help you out on your template. There you go. See ya.